Alright, so let's draw the pulley. So I'm going to do the front view and the side view. So let's start by doing these parts. I'm going to draw a line that is 100, then offset by 20, by 10, then go on, so forth. So let's do it somewhere here. Yeah, so we have line command. Sorry, first we need to do we have to activate the pulley layer. So let's take line command and then do a line of 100 from here, 100, enter, skip. So then next is, let me do 20 by 10, let's see, 20, I'll do offset of 20. Then if this is 20 and this part here is 10, so that means we have 5 and 5. So I'll do 20, then offset 20 from there, then I do 5, then 10, then 5, then 20, and then we are done. So I'll offset in that order. So I'll do offset by 20, right? So then we pick this point here, then gain, so I need to enter 5, then I'll do another 10, then I'll do 5, yes, correct, then I'll do another offset of 20, yes, correct. So then with this I'll be able to have the pulley. Let me just draw these lines and then we'll do a trim. So I'll also need to offset these lines, those two lines. Let's take these, we offset this line from the top. So from the top, what do we do? So I'm taking these 10, offset by 10, and then after offsetting by 10, what else? Then I'll do another, if this is 30, from this point to this point is 30, then from this point to this point, that will be 35, plus 30, that will be 65, 65 plus 30, no, that won't be up to 100. So what do we do? Okay, so this is 30, 30 minus this, so 35 plus 35 plus 30, that will give us 100, correct? So I'll do an offset by 10, then by 25, then 30, 25, and 10. So you have 10, then we have from there 25, 30, then we have 25 again, then lastly we have 10, but that one will just come in by itself. Yeah, so let's do it. So I'd already selected that line, then say offset. So from top I do 10, offset by 10, then I offset again by 25, then I offset again by 30, and offset again by 25, then this one just comes in, skip. So I have these lines. Now we need to produce something of this sort. So now how do we go about that? So one, we need to check from this point to this point. So I'll draw just lines up, up. Okay, so let's do that. So from here to this point, so line command, from here to this point, enter, enter again, from here to this point, enter, enter again, from this point, this point here to this point, enter again, the remaining part is to do trim, so select MTR trim. So I don't need this part, this part, like that. So I don't need this part here, this part, and this one here. In these lines, I will not need them. These ones here. Let's do that for now. I will not need this part. So let's skip. Just delete them manually. Then we also have to delete this one manually. So now I'll be able to let me put these as center lines. So I think I'll do that later on, but we can still do it here. Create another layer called center line. Then assign, let me load the center line here. So center, okay, let's see center. Yes, we can utilize this. Let's utilize this one here. Okay, then just select that line and say okay, so it is activated. So if I want to change that, I'll need to do this. Select this, then come here, center line. So now next is create the side view of this. So I'll go to Pulley, then circle. So I'll have circle of radius. Circle of radius 150. Yes, let's say 50. Then another circle of radius, you just say enter, then start specify center of radius 15. Yes, that is what we have. Then we also have these parts, but they're not going to be that visible. So 10 times that will give you, so 10 times that will give you 20, 100 minus 20, that will give you 80. So we draw another circle of radius 40. But this circle we're going to make it let me hide it. So what do we do? I create hidden, and do this. Yes, so I need to load hidden line here. Let's see these ones. Okay, hidden. Okay, so there we go. So then just select that and come here and assign it hidden. So that's it. This is side view, then this is the end view. So we have the pulley ready, we have the brackets ready, and we also have the plates ready. Okay, then we now need to draw the bolts.